Wave 31 Storm Tracker Chief Meteorologist Taylor Knust with 31 Triple Doppler.
All those shady seats at the stadium are a premium.
At a premium, yeah.
Get there early, right?
Just think cold thoughts tonight for Christmas in July. I mean, 6 months from now, we'll be complaining it's too cold.
Exactly. If you ever wanted to know what it was like to celebrate Christmas in Australia, this is the event for you.
There you go.
Yeah, exactly. So the heat's here. It's here to stay for the foreseeable future. So plan accordingly. Bring all the water you need. All the shade you can find is going to be a top priority for anyone outside heading to the Trash Pandas game this evening. First pitch at 6:35. You can expect those temperatures throughout the game to be in the 80s. It will be more comfortable once we get near and after sunset, down to the low 80s. So should be an improvement by the time we get to the second half of the game tonight. Most importantly, it is likely going to be dry for you folks at Toyota Field this evening. Current temperatures in the low 90s across most of North Alabama. We're seeing upper 80s farther north, 92 in Athens and 91 in Muscle Shoals at this hour. That humidity, dew points are in the low 70s, so on our muggy meter, it's toward that steamy category. And with that in mind, we are feeling like the upper 90s and low 100s. Athens, the highest number at 101. Meanwhile, Guntersville, a heat index of 93, and in Huntsville, currently feels like 98. We are certainly not alone with this heat. This is a widespread issue across the country with heat indices to our west well into the triple digits across much of the southern plains and even the central plains dealing with similar type of heat. And the reason is because the jet stream that has occasionally sent us the stormy weather and occasional cool downs earlier this month is well to our north, and that's where it's going to stay for a while. So we have this ridge of high pressure keeping the heat in place for much of the country and likely to stay put here locally in North Alabama for the rest of this week and much of next week. We're looking at more of the same. What does that mean for us as far as heat index values are concerned? Each of the next few afternoons, you can expect the heat index to be anywhere from the upper 90s to as high as 105. Here's what we're expecting around 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Fast forwarding to Thursday afternoon, it might be a touch hotter with a lot of us reaching the triple digits for those feels-like temperatures. Friday, maybe even a little bit hotter than that. Again, with a handful of you getting as high as 105 with that heat index as we wrap up the work week. Actual highs are expected to be in the mid-90s on Wednesday, 94 in Fort Payne, up to 96 in Decatur. Thursday and Friday, maybe a degree or two even hotter than that, up to 95 in Fayetteville, 97 in Muscle Shoals. Friday looking like more of the same, 96 in Huntsville and 97 in Scottsboro. We have a couple pop-up showers and storms in East Tennessee into North Georgia. A couple of those may clip Northeast Alabama late this afternoon through early this evening, but future radar keeps most of us quiet. This is probably overdone what you're seeing there, but again, 1 or 2 brief downpours is possible over the next few hours. After that, slim pickings as far as the rain is concerned for the rest of the week. We will have slight chances at those pop-up showers and storms over the upcoming weekend through early next week, but it's not going to do much to cool us down. It's a long stretch of mid-90s that's going to